All right, so if you're thinking of getting this small key safe, then this is my honest opinion and my honest review. I've just left it open now so I can show you how it looks. And I've had this for about a couple of months, and there's a few things I like about it, a few things to bear in mind. It's just a bit of dust gathering on the top there. So the first thing is that this is super, super high quality and durable. Like, this is some really hard material. Well, this is actually metal and it's in a plastic mount. And what I love about it is that you can actually attach it to things with screws. So I've attached mine to this drawer here, and it's super high quality. Like, it has this cover. This is a waterproof cover if you have it outside, and then it comes down, and it basically is just this space on the inside here where you can attach keys. You can even hang a key. If you can see that, there's a little hook up there where you can actually hang keys, so they appear nicely in this middle section. So I love that. I love that it's a numeric keypad that doesn't need any batteries. You know, some key safes require batteries, and if the battery becomes dead, then you've got a problem. This doesn't require any batteries. It's just this solid mechanical section housed in a waterproof, plastic case. And then what happens is you close this, latch that, and then it's like solid, like you're not getting in there. So yeah, I love that. And then the waterproof case closes like that. One thing to bear in mind is that the size inside is, well, I showed you already the size. You can only fit, I would say, more or less like 2 or 3 bunches of keys, which is fine because most people, when they use a key safe, they're just going to put one set of keys in there anyway. So if you're looking for a highly reliable, durable, high quality key safe that doesn't require batteries, then I highly recommend this key safe.